It's happened. I've inherited the death wobble. The 99 has started vibrating every time you accelerate, which, if anyone is used to these sorts of things, probably means it needs an axle. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me for that. So we're taking the 99 back to the shop. Back at the shop, about to check out what's going on with the 99. Let's get under this thing and see what's happening. So as suspected, looks like we need an axle. Fortunately, I'm prepared for that, so now we just need to get this thing up and get the wheel off. Better picture of the problem. As you can see, that is torn open, and that's not good, so we're going to need to get this out of here. Okay, so what we're going to be taking off is this big nut in the middle on the axle, and then we're going to be, if you look around here, getting that ball joint loose from the top, and I've already soaked both of those joints down, so hopefully they won't fight me too much. So you're not going to need a lot of tools for this. Basically, you're going to need an 18mm wrench. I prefer a ratcheting wrench. You're going to need something to get the pin out. This is a little cotter pin like this, holding the lower ball joint nut on. So you'll need that. And then you're going to need a 36mm axle nut socket. So next, you're going to need a hammer and one of these pickle forks to knock the lower ball joint loose from the knuckle. Then you're going to need a decent sized pry bar to pry the control arm down so that you can pull the knuckle forward to get the axle the rest of the way out. Then for this last part, you're going to get the pry bar behind that little nub right there and just pop the axle out of the transmission. Okay, so here we have the replacement axle. I am going with a reman axle, even though new ones are available, because the reman ones have the factory ends on them, which are more likely to have the right size right here and not cause problems. Don't forget to torque your axle nut to 118 foot-pounds. And torque your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. So it's all buttoned up with the new axle. There she is. So now it's just time to crank it up and drive it and see if the symptom's gone. Alright, so I'm back in the car. It's nighttime now. Sorry, I'm sure the video quality is not so great. But looks like everything is good. I can now accelerate pretty hard. And not a single bit of vibration. Awesome. So until next time, we'll see you.